Look, this is our hotel.
It looks really modern.
I like the flowers near the entrance.
They make the place feel nice.
I hope our room is ready.
We booked it yesterday, so it should be.
The doors are shiny and clean.
Yes, very welcoming.
Look at the hotel sign. It's easy to read.
It's bright and clear.
The lobby windows look big.
They let in a lot of light.
Should we go in now?
Yes, let's check in.
I feel excited to see our room.
We too.
I hope it has a nice view.
Maybe of the garden or city?
I see some people entering.
It's a popular hotel.
I like the lighting near the entrance.
It's warm and inviting.
Should we carry our bags ourselves?
I can take one and you take the other.
Okay, that works.
I'm glad we chose this hotel.
Me too. The location is convenient.
Close to the main street and quiet.
I hope the staff is friendly.
I'm sure they are.
I like the floor. It's shiny and clean.
The hotel looks very well maintained.
Let's go inside and start the check-in.
Good idea.
The entrance feels welcoming.
Yes, it gives a nice first impression.
I feel excited for our stay.
Me too.
Let's walk to the reception desk.
Okay, I'll follow you.
I hope our room is on a high floor.
That would be nice.
I like how peaceful it is here.
Yes, it seems calm and quiet.
I'm ready to check in.
Me too. Let's do it.
Here we are at the reception.
It looks very organized.
I wonder which counter we should use.
Let's go to the one with no line.
That looks perfect.
Do you have our reservation details ready?
Yes, I have them on my phone.
Great, we can show it quickly.
I hope the check-in process is fast.
Me too, we don't want to wait long.
The lobby looks bigger from here.
Yes, it feels spacious.
I like the plants on the desk.
They make it look welcoming.
Should I put my bag down here?
Yes, that's a good idea.
I feel a little nervous about the forms.
Don't worry, it's simple.
Okay, I'll try to fill it out quickly.
I can help if needed.
Thank you.
No problem.
I hope our room is ready on the top floor.
That would be perfect.
I see a small waiting area here.
It looks comfortable.
Maybe we can sit if the line is long.
Yes, it's cozy.
I like the decorations behind the desk.
Yes, they make the space cheerful.
Do you think the staff is busy today?
They seem calm.
I feel ready to get our key card.
Me too.
I hope our room has a good view.
I'm sure it does.
The lighting here is very warm.
Yes, it creates a nice atmosphere.
I wonder how big our room will be.
Probably just right for 2 people.
I hope the bed is comfortable.
I'm sure it is.
Are you ready to get the key card?
Yes, let's do it now.
I feel excited to enter our room.
Me too, it's gonna be nice.
We have the key card now.
Great, let's check which floor we are on.
It says the 5th floor.
Perfect, that's a good view.
I hope the elevator is fast.
It looks modern, so it should be.
I like the carpet in the hallway.
It feels soft under our feet.
Which way is our room?
I think it's to the left.
The corridor is very clean.
Yes, everything looks well maintained.
I hope the room is quiet.
It should be. It's far from the elevators.
I'm excited to see the view.
Me too.
Let's try the key card.
Yes, slide it and see.
The door opened.
Perfect.
The room looks bigger than I expected.
Yes, very comfortable.
I see 2 beds.
That's good. Plenty of space.
The window is large.
We can see the city from here.
Or maybe the garden.
Yes, it's a nice view either way.
Look at the desk near the window.
It's perfect for working or reading.
There's a small chair too.
Yes, it looks cozy.
The bathroom is clean as well.
That's important.
I hope the shower works well.
I'm sure it will.
There's a safe in the closet.
Good, we can store our valuables.
I like how organized everything is.
Yes, it feels like a nice hotel.
Should we place our bags on the bed?
Yes, let's unpack a little.
I'm glad we have this room.
Me too, it's perfect for our stay.
Wow, the room looks amazing.
Yes, it's bigger than I imagined.
The bed looks very soft.
Perfect for a good night's sleep.
Look at the curtains. They match the walls.
Yes, very stylish.
The lighting is warm and cozy.
It makes the room feel relaxing.
I like the view from this window.
You can see the whole street from here.
Or maybe the park nearby.
That's lovely.
There's a small table with a chair.
Good place to put our drinks or bags.
I see the wardrobe.
Yes, plenty of space for our clothes.
The TV is on the wall.
Perfect for the evening.
I like the carpet. It's soft and clean.
Makes walking barefoot comfortable.
There are extra pillows on the bed.
That's great.
I wonder if the room has a mini bar.
Let's check the small fridge.
Yes, it's stocked.
Good, we can have a snack later.
I like the small lamp on the nightstand.
It's perfect for reading.
The walls are decorated nicely.
Yes, the paintings are simple but elegant.
I feel very comfortable here.
Me too. It's peaceful.
Shall we unpack a little?
Yes, that's a good idea.
The room has so much space.
We won't feel cramped.
I like the window blinds.
They block the sunlight nicely.
There's a mirror near the wardrobe.
Good for checking our outfits.
I feel happy we booked this room.
Absolutely. It's perfect for our stay.
Let's explore the rest of the amenities.
Sure, let's see everything carefully.
Let's see what else is in the room.
Sure. I want to check the closet.
There are extra hangers here.
Good. We can hang our jackets.
I see some shelves above the desk.
We can put our books or bags there.
The mini fridge is stocked with drinks.
That's perfect.
There are 2 towels on the bed.
Good. We won't need to ask for more.
I like the small lamp on the desk.
It's useful for reading.
There's a phone on the nightstand.
We can call the reception if needed.
Look at the wall decorations.
Yes, they make the room feel more homey.
The desk chair is comfortable.
We can sit here to write or plan our day.
There's a waste bin near the desk.
Good. We can keep the room tidy.
I see an ironing board in the closet.
That's useful for our clothes.
There's a small safe, too.
Perfect for our valuables.
The bathroom looks clean and modern.
I like the tiled floor.
There's a hairdryer here as well.
That's convenient.
I see extra blankets in the closet.
That's great if it gets cold.
I like the small table by the window.
We can use it for our drinks or snacks.
The TV remote is on the nightstand.
Easy to find.
I like how organized everything is.
Yes, it feels like a well-kept hotel.
Shall we unpack a little?
Yes, let's put our things away.
I feel happy with this room.
Me too. It's comfortable and spacious.
I think we'll enjoy our stay here.
Definitely.
Let's plan what to do next.
Good idea. We can check the view from the window.
Let's put our luggage on the bed.
Good idea. It's easier to unpack here.
I'll start with my clothes.
I'll organize my backpack.
I like the drawers in this room.
We can separate our things nicely.
The closet has enough space for both of us.
Yes, we won't feel cramped.
I'm going to hang some jackets.
I'll fold the shirts and put them in the drawers.
This shelf is perfect for my toiletries.
Mine fit on the desk neatly.
The bed looks cozy now.
Yes, it's ready for resting later.
I'm glad we have space for our shoes.
That's important to keep the room tidy.
I see. The window lets in a lot of light.
Perfect for daytime reading.
The view looks amazing from here.
We can see the park and some rooftops.
I like the curtains. They are easy to adjust.
Yes, we can control the sunlight easily.
I'll place my bag near the desk.
I'll put mine on the small table.
The room feels very comfortable now.
I agree.
I'm excited to stay here tonight.
Me too. It's perfect for relaxing.
I think I'll take a shower first.
Good idea. I'll get ready after you.
I'll check if everything works properly.
I can unpack the rest while you do that.
I feel happy we chose this hotel.
Yes, it has everything we need.
The room is big enough for our plans.
And very peaceful.
I like the cozy atmosphere.
It makes it easy to relax.
I think we can leave some clothes here for tomorrow.
Yes, it will be ready when we need them.
I'm glad we have this space for both of us.
Me too. It's perfect for our stay.
Let's finish unpacking and rest a bit.
Great idea.